Hello everyone. So in this video we will see about elastic block storage. This is one of our very famous AWS service. Okay. So what is the scenario we have? Like we have one EC2 instance running, and currently we have EBS volume attached with this instance, and the size of that EBS volume is 8 GB. Now what happened is we have currently the size which is attached to my EC2 instance. Currently the size is 8 GB, and we wanted to increase, let's see, this size. So might be like here, this is my, it is mounted to my root directory, and this is completely full, and I wanted to increase the size so that I can install some more softwares, and I can use my EC2 instance. So for this we have two ways. We can ask AWS that AWS please increase the hard disk size, let's say, to 20 GB, means plus 12 GB more I want, so that completely it becomes 20 GB. Now for this, how AWS will do this thing in behind? AWS have two ways. First, AWS will remove this complete 8 GB and will create a new hard disk of 20 GB. But if AWS will do this, then I will lose my data here. Whatever data I have, I don't want to lose. What AWS will do is AWS will dynamically increase the size whatever we wanted. And here AWS and other cloud companies are providing this facility so that we can increase this. That's why it is known as elastic, because we can whenever we want we can increase the size. So that's why it is saying name as elastic. And then why we name is block, we will see. And that's why it is a storage, so that's why its name is storage. That's why it name as EBS, because it is elastic, so that we can, whenever we want, we can increase. Okay, so how to do that? So basically, if you want to see currently, so currently I just have 8 GB of space. Now let's increase this. How to do that? So we will move toward elastic block store. In the left side you can see go to volumes. This is a new instance which I have created. This is another instance, so don't think about this. See here, currently we have 8 GB, and let me go to modify volume, and here I can increase this to, let's say, I wanted to 15 GB. Let's say I wanted to increase to 15 GB, so I can type here, and then I will click on modify. And as I will click on modify, in some time you will see here from 8 GB it will become 15 GB. So here you can see it is 15 GB. Now, so what does it mean? AWS has increased the storage for us. Here, let me clear my screen and let me do F6 my hyphen 15 GB. But the partition here is still showing 8 GB only. Basically, if you see here in df-h command, so basically this EBS volume was attached to my root directory. It was mounted on this slash directory, and here you can see it is still showing 8 GB. What does it mean is we have increased the size from 8 GB to 15 GB. We have increased the size from 8 GB to 15 GB, but we are not able to use it. So how to do that? Basically, for that we have to run a command. And what will be the command? So let me run this again. So command would be grow part. So we want to grow our partition, and the partition name is save xvda. You can see here, and in this we wanted to increase this xvda one partition. As I will click this, you will see now if I do f-this-l, so now you will see a change. Now here in this partition it is showing 15 GB of size. So basically we have increased the partition. Okay, so but let me clear my screen, but let me run this command again. If you see here, you will see it is still saying 8 GB. Why so? The reason is we have increased our partition. We have increased our partition with the command which I have just run, that is grow part. But that partition is not formatted yet. Until the time that partition is not formatted, we can't use it. So how to format that and how to do that? So basically, so first of all I will have to check what format type they have used. So for that we have a command -ht. Sorry, here it is showing they have used the type as XFS. So we will use same type to format our new partition. how to do that. So let me clear my screen, and we have a command as xfs grow, and we are saying grow, and then we will give the name. So whether I can give the name of this also, but here it is mounted on slash folder, so I can give the name of slash also, and that's it. Now we have formatted our new partition which we have created, and let me clear my screen and let me show you df-h, and now you will see it is showing 15 GB. So means currently my this slash directory has the space of 15 GB and I can use it. I can download some bigger file. Now we have increased the size from 8 GB to 15 GB. That's what I wanted to show. That was one of the things which we should know